Good morning, everyone, and happy Monday. This is a beautiful morning, and it is nice and cool. I'm sitting outside. I have a fire going. A very quiet morning. I'm so glad you could join me today. We're going to go ahead and get started. Looking at our calendar, today is the 15th day of June. So looking at our pattern, remember it's an AABB pattern. So right here we have sandcastle, sandcastle, sun, sun, sandcastle, sandcastle, sun, sun. What's going to go right here? A sandcastle, that's right. And we're creeping up on Mr. Trent and Mr. Wancho's birthday. They're coming up fast. Oops, a little too fast. Let's sing our Days of the Week song. Figure out what day of the week it is. Is everybody ready to sing? Here we go. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Your turn. Sing it for me. Big voices.
There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday.
Days of the week. 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 All right. And today is Monday, June 15th, 2020. We have one more day of preschool for our calendar, and one more day for our Zoom, and that'll be tomorrow. And right here. I'm so excited to see everyone tomorrow for our breakfast. All right, let's go on. What kind of weather do we have outside today? It is a perfect day. I think it is sunny with some clouds. What do you think about for tomorrow? What are we going to have? Sunny, partly sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, snowy. I heard someone say sunny. I'm going to go ahead and put that right there. Sunny day for tomorrow. Amazing this weather. I love this. The wind blowing. It's a little cloudy, a little bit of sun. It's perfect weather. How about if we say our alphabet together? Is everybody ready to say the alphabet? Okay, here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Wonderful. All right, let's count all the way to 15. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, let's count backwards. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. All right. Let's look at these shapes. Who can tell me what shape is this? Triangle. This one, oval. Right here, octagon. And this one is a star. That's right. Let's sing our shape song. Get rid of the ad.
Adapted Mind Math! Come explore the site with me.
3, 2,
I'm in first
1,
grade.
skip.
Shapes have names, they're made of angles and lines. There are flat shapes and solids. solid shapes, we see them all the time. Now I will say a shape. I want you to say it too. We'll play the shape, name, game. That is what we like to do. Circle,
Circle.
circle,
Circle.
square,
Square.
square,
Square.
triangle,
Triangle.
triangle,
Triangle.
rectangle,
Rectangle.
rectangle,
Rectangle.
oval,
Oval.
oval,
Oval.
diamond,
Diamond.
diamond,
Diamond.
heart,
Heart.
heart,
Heart.
star,
Star.
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 Shapes have names, they're made of angles and lines. There are flat shapes and solid shapes, we see them all the time. Now I will say a shape, I want you to say it too. We'll play the shape, name, game. That is what we like to do. Rhombus,
Rhombus.
rhombus,
Rhombus. And if we don't call it a rhombus, what do we call it? We call it a diamond. Yes. Good job. All right. Look at some colors. What color is this? White. This one? Orange. This one? Blue. Right here, what color is she? Pink for Pinkie Pie. Yellow. About my yummy favorite chocolate. Brown. That's right. Good job, friends. Our nursery rhyme this week is Down by the Bay. I love this song.
down by the bay, where the watermelons grow. Back to my home, I dare not go. For if I do, my mother will say, have you ever seen a duck driving a truck down by the bay, where the watermelons grow? Back to my home, I dare not go. For if I do, my mother will say, have you ever seen a goat cruising on a boat down by the bay, where the watermelons grow? Back to my home, I dare not go. For if I do, my mother will say, have you ever seen a mouse building a house down by the bay, where the watermelons grow? Back to my home, I dare not go. For if I do, my mother will say, have you ever seen a frog dancing on a log down by the bay, where the watermelons grow? Back to my home, I dare not go. For if I do, my mother will say, have you ever seen a bee sipping iced tea down by the bay, where the watermelons grow? Back to my home, I dare not go. For if I do, my mother will say, have you ever seen a fox putting on socks down by the bay, down by the bay, down by the bay?
All right. That was rhyming. Did you hear all the rhyming? Fox and socks? Let's go on. It is letter review. I know you reviewed last week with Mrs. Hill. Let's go ahead and review some more. What letter is this? L. This one? F. Here? E. So let's go ahead and make those letters right now. Are you ready? I'm going to start off with the letter L. Let's go ahead and sing about where we start our letters first. How about that?
Where do you start your letters?
At the top.
Where do you start your letters? At the top. If you want to start a letter, then you better
Remember to start it at the top. Letters at the top. Letters, got your letters at the top. Top. G's got your letters at the top. Got your letters at the top. Better. Remember, start at the top. No, it's the bottom. Top. The G's got your letters at the top. Reach up. Way up. Is that the top? Going down. Way down. Reach out and touch the bottom. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Top, bottom, shake it. Top, bottom, top, bottom. Put your letters at the top. Put your letters at the top. Put your letters at the top. And you better. Remember to start it at the top. No, it's the bottom. No, it's the middle. Top. Please got your letters at the top. All right. Let's go ahead and review how to make some letters. Let's start off with letter L. Let's see if I can get the middle. Get big line down under Mr. Matt's smiling face. Put that under Mr. Matt's smiling face. We need a little line across the bottom. And what letter is that? L. To make the letter L, we start at the top and we say big line down, little line across. Now we're going to make the letter F. F, we take our little line to the top, and then we have another little line in the middle. Make my little line a little bigger. Okay. For letter F, we say big line down, frog jump up, little line across the top, little line across the middle. Now we have to make the letter E. The letter E, I can grab my other little line. One more little line at the bottom. Now we have the letter E. We start at the top and we say, big line down, frog jump up, little line across the top, little line across the middle, little line across the bottom. Good job, friends. That's the letter E. Now let's go ahead and make the letter H. I'm going to take my little lines off. I'm going to leave my big line there, and I'm going to grab another big line and put it on the other side. Now I'm going to grab a little line and put it across the, if you can remember, across the middle. Yes. Grab one of these lines across the middle. Here's H. H, we start at the top and we say, big line down, frog jump over, big line down, little line across the middle. And H says, wonderful job. Thank you so much for joining me and reviewing how to make letters. We're going to work on some more tomorrow for our last circle time. I'll see you then, everyone. Bye.